I am going to plus, verb. I am going to meditate tonight. I am going to have a coffee break. I am going to go to a bookstore. I am going to start a blog soon. I am going to take a break now. I am going to do some gardening. I am going to take a shower now. I am going to write a poem today. I am going to clean my room now. I am going to visit a friend today. I am going to ride a bike in the park. I am going to draw a picture today. I am going to start a podcast soon. I am going to take a walk in the park. I am going to watch a movie tonight. I am going to paint a picture today. I am going to write a novel next year. I am going to take a nap this afternoon. I am going to have a cup of tea now. I am going to play video games today. I am going to go to a party tonight. I am going to read a book in the park. I am going to visit a doctor tomorrow. I am going to go to the gym tonight. I am going to learn how to dance salsa. I am going to study English grammar. I am going to watch a soccer game. I am going to buy a new pair of shoes. I am going to join a book club next week. I am going to run a 5K race next month. I am going to bake a cake for my friend. I am going to make a cup of coffee now. I am going to make a sandwich for lunch. I am going to write a letter to my friend. I am going to learn how to play the guitar. I am going to learn how to sew a dress. I am going to start a new business soon. I am going to run a marathon next year. I am going to take a day trip to a nearby city. I am going to visit my family next weekend. I am going to try a new restaurant tonight. I am going to go shopping this afternoon. I am going to go shopping this afternoon. I am going to go to a concert next month. I am going to learn how to play the piano. I am going to go for a run in the morning. I am going to visit my parents this weekend. I am going to start a new hobby next week. I am going to go to a bookstore tomorrow. I am going to go to a movie theater tonight. I am going to take a yoga class this evening. I am going to learn a new language next year. I am going to have a conversation in English. I am going to go to a wedding this weekend. I am going to read a book before bed tonight. I am going to attend a yoga class this evening. I am going to buy a new computer next month. I am going to plant some flowers in the garden. I am going to attend a comedy show next week. I am going to try a new coffee shop this morning. I am going to try a new workout class next week. I am going to try a new recipe for dinner tonight. I am going to have a picnic in the park with friends. I am going to visit a local museum next weekend. I am going to attend a music concert next month. I am going to learn how to make sushi next week. I am going to go to a basketball game next week. I am going to clean the kitchen after dinner tonight. I am going to clean the kitchen after dinner tonight. I am going to watch a play at the theater next week. I am going to work on my art project this afternoon. I am going to take my dog for a walk in the park today. I am going to start learning a new language next month. I am going to have a meeting with my boss tomorrow. I am going to watch a documentary about nature tonight.